Zakat is a foundational concept in Islamic finance focused on wealth purification and community support. Let's look at how it works. The term zakat literally translates to growth or purification, representing a mandatory charitable obligation for those who meet specific wealth requirements. The standard rate is 2.5% of one's total qualifying assets, which are held for at least one full lunar year. To be eligible to pay, your wealth must exceed the nisab threshold, which is the minimum value required to trigger this social obligation. It is important to distinguish zakat from sadaqah, which is purely voluntary. Zakat is a formal requirement, while sadaqah is an optional act of kindness. In this example, your taxable base is calculated by subtracting liabilities from total assets, then applying the 2.5% rate. Ultimately, this practice is designed to maintain social equilibrium and encourage financial responsibility among all members of the community. Consult with a qualified advisor regarding your specific financial situation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.